Wow! So pretty! Ito, business to ng younger cousin ko, Yumi Snaps. So, they're currently setting up. Full family force yan. Actually, lahat yan pinsan ko. Tapos tita ko yun. Tapos, upon entering, ito yung makikita nyo dito sa Airbnb. Hi, Dad! Hi, Josh! Pogi ah! Hi, Mommy! Ganda ni Mommy! Parang diwata! Ito, nagsiset up pa lang si Christian dyan. And hindi pa ako nag-aayos, so mag-aayos muna ako, guys. Hi! Ito yung isa pang room. Kasya dito, I think, mga 4 to 8 people. Depende kung i-extend natin tong kutsyon dito. Meron ding parang room dito na open lang. So, dito ang napiling room ng ating celebrant with her ates. Ate Hana. Kaayos pa siya. And then, si Ate Ann. Pinili niya tong room na to specifically kasi gusto niyang makita lahat. So, kita dito yung view sa baba. So, yung food area dyan, yung living room dyan. And then, when you open this red door right here, makikita mo rin yung labas. So, perfect na room talaga siya. Pero if you'd like more privacy, mas okay yung last room na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito kasi more on yung ma-overlook mo talaga lahat ng ganap. Pero nakakatawa, meron gym bigla dito. Sobrang random. Tapos nandito rin si Mau. Hi, Mau! Ay, ang ganda. Boosh. Wings Club kayo dyan. Tapos going down here, ito na yung last room. Shoot na ulit sila dyan. Hi, Sandra! So, siya ang ating official photographer for the day. As you can see, ito medyo private naman siya. And then, ang maganda dito, may massage chair dyan sa gilid. May lounge area din. We also have entertainment dito. And then, one of the best parts of this Airbnb is their bathroom. Dalawa yung bathroom nila. Ito yung connected dun sa master's bedroom. So, yun yung shower area. Then, we also have yung bathtub right here. Sorry, medyo magulo, pero meron siyang couch dyan. So, yun lang muna for now. Mag-aayos lang muna ako since hindi pa talaga ako nakakapag-ayos at all dahil ako ang nag-set up ng mga pagkain and yung ibang mga design. Pero, ito yung outfit namin ni Chan for today.
Lovely beings of the forest, welcome to a night wrapped in magic and wonder as we celebrate a very special milestone, the 18th birthday of our beautiful debutante, our sister, Mercedes Ray. Once again, our miracle child. Let's give it up for Mira! Tonight is not just a party, it's a rite of passage, a celebration of growth, of gratitude, and of course, of womanhood. So to begin this enchanted journey, let's unlock the treasure chest of wisdom, memories, and meaningful gifts. So each one representing love and guidance for Mercedes Ray as she steps into adulthood. The 18 treasures. Let's start off with Miss Sabrina Selga. Sabrina Carpenter!
Wait, what the hell is this? Oh my God! From Ate Ana, Ate Zia, Ate May, Kuya Chan, and Mommy. And a sewing machine!
Yay! Joshi. Ilang barbecue na naubos mo? 1? Kala ko 100. Ikaw, Mau. What are you eating?
Sapa lang.
Sapa lang? Talaga?
Ang sandok ng sisig.
Meron ka lang ba? Oo nga.
Nagpa-project siya. Si Josh yung nakatatlang sandok ng sisig.
Okay na.
Next we have JC Leonardo.
Sino ang pinakamagandang fairy? Halata.
Sorry girl, tawag ko.
Next we have Amina Salazar. Grabe naman
Pwede ba ito?
Grabe.
Stop. Tapos na ibang...
Next up we have our only brother, Joshua Hansen. Now, may we call on to the best father, our daddy, Rayan. Thank you so much, Daddy and Mira. And that concludes our 8 in roses.
Angelica.
Hi,
Ready guys?
Here, guys.
triplets.
This doesn't rich folks love They pull up in the carriages and gawk at the students in the common just to watch them talk. Hey! Skyler the man is loaded. Uh-oh, little does he know that his daughters, Peggy, Angelica, Eliza, sneaking to the city just to watch all the guys that
Angelica. Work, Eliza. The Skyler sisters. Eliza. Candidates to be home by sundown. I need to know. Daddy said not to go downtown. Like I said, I'm free to go, but look around, look around. This card remind me what we're looking for. Looking for me, Eliza. I'm looking for a mind that work. I'm looking for a mind that work. I'm looking for a mind that work. Whoa.
No, it's not funny, but your perfume smells like your daddy's got money. While you're slumming in the city in your fancy heels, you're searching for an urchin who can give you ideals.
Perfume disgusting.
I'm a trust fund, baby, you can trust me.
Behold these truths to be self-evident that I'm in a created equal. And when I keep on pressure, I will propel to a movement in the sequel. Work in Manhattan, and we just happen to be in the greatest city in the world. In the greatest city in the world. Work, Angelica. Work, in life, Peggy. The Skyler sisters. We're looking for a mind that work, hey. It's the greatest city in the world.
Just go!
shine and never grow up.
Kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
They just drop off. Wish I never grow up. Ooh, I don't wanna grow up. Wish I never grow up. Could still be a little. Ooh, I don't wanna grow up. Wish I never grown up. Could still be simple. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. Say this simple. Oh, I wanna grow up. Wish I never grow up. Still be simple. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Blow your candle.
Wish. Guys, if you need photo booth, pwede nyo kuhain yung Yumi Snap sa mga events nyo. Ang pogi naman ng DJ. Ang takaw ng fairy.
Wait,
so my baby.
Thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta dito and bumili ng wings para sa akin. Thank you guys. Happy birthday to me.
Thank you everyone for coming. All familiar faces naman. Nakikita ko kayo lagi sa bahay. Ganyan yung ginagawa niyo, kumakain. Thank you for coming. Kahit na medyo nasikip lang yung place natin. It's a little informal, pero masaya si Mira. And because she's happy, we're happy for her also. Ayan. Message ko kay Mira, always stay sweet. Have enough confidence to be who you want to be. Because you can be whoever you want to be. Because the world is yours. Yan ang message ko sa Mira.
Ang message ko, magiging. Oy, maglipin daw kayo! Hindi, sana nasasal kayo lahat sa inyo. Message ko kay Mira, sana, kaya kay daddy niya, palaging huwag magtatanda kung galit sa mama. Ibig sabihin, love na love ka.